Hey, this is Brad from Ready to Send. I'm going to show you how you can use Ready to Send for customer support. So here I'm in Gmail. In my inbox, I have a new email that's already have a draft attached to it that was generated by Ready to Send. And it's a question, does Ready to Send support Japanese? And the response is pretty good. It is accurate, but there is no kind of context between the features of Ready to Send. It just kind of took a guess on whether this is correct or not. So if we want to specify information about our business, we can go over to the settings. And first, it has my personal name in this. And because I want to set this up as a business, I'm going to call it Ready to Send. And I'll use the full name. And here I have my custom instructions. So if I go over to my website, I'll just jump into the FAQ, and I'm just going to copy the whole thing and paste it into the custom instructions. So this is going to give some context about the product and commonly asked questions. So if I go back to this email, I want to regenerate it. I can do this a couple different ways, but I'm going to go delete it. Go back here and create a new draft. And now it has context in terms of what Ready to Send actually is and what it can do. So in this case, it says, yes, Ready to Send supports Japanese. This is straight from the FAQ, and whether it's in English, Japanese, or other supported languages, Ready to Send can detect the language and generate an appropriate response. So that's true. That's much more thorough, and it's a much better response than kind of the default guess. And that is good to go. And that's how you can easily set up Ready to Send for customer support. Thank you.